we started to build foundational steps for how can the COG really be a conduit towards solving some of these sub-regional and or regional issues. Homelessness, transportation, technology. The South Bay Fiber Network was an idea to not only connect all the South Bay cities, including the county, with a strand of fiber.
3, 2, 1, hit it.
I'm very proud to announce today that the South Bay Fiber Network, the core ring that will support the entire region, is now complete.
In partnership with the COG and our 15 cities, it was put into service so that our cities would have access to high-speed internet service, with the plan to eventually expand that service throughout the cities into the communities.
We were looking at it from the perspective of how can we set cities up for success for the 21st century in terms of connectivity and being able to utilize connections throughout the city for public works, for transportation, even for their own IT or ability just to function as a government. We went to Metro, we convinced them of the transportation nexus, and were able to get the funding out of Measure M, which was to the tune of, I think, like $6.6 million.
It has been expanded into 40 different agencies. So I am most proud of the South Bay Fiber Network and the way it has grown.
My adult life has crossed several states and multiple instances of homelessness.
The COG recognized was Measure H was in the process of coming to the public as a voting measure for a 1/4-cent sales tax. How do we collaboratively utilize the county to make sure that the funding is coming through this measure back to the cities? What Jackie recognized was that if one city was doing it or other cities were doing it without really speaking to each other, that nobody's going to have true success. The evolution of the COG being a part of homelessness, I think, just happened organically. It was just kind of recognizing the need, having conversations about it, but then it grew to the point where the COG actually ended up hiring individuals to focus solely on that. And now they really are a secondary conduit for the cities receiving direct funding from the county. We were able to utilize the COG to take it to the next level and make sure that a city like Redondo Beach could hit functional zero.
Redondo Beach recently celebrated becoming the first city in the South Bay to reach functional zero street homelessness.
The goal for functional zero is to get people off the street within 90 days of their homelessness experience, and Redondo Beach can now get people off the streets within 14 days.
Redondo Beach was chosen by the South Bay City's Council of Governments to develop ways to reduce homelessness regionally. But the work will also serve as a blueprint others can follow.
We're here in downtown El Segundo for a groundbreaking event that's going to make local travel much easier and more efficient for the entire South Bay.
The local travel network is a concept that didn't just start overnight.
As the South Bay COG chair, one of the first things that we did was the low-speed travel network in the city of El Segundo. Very happy to see it come to fruition in the city of El Segundo and actually riding in some of the low-speed vehicles.
It's a perfect example of how the COG listens to the 16 city members and the 2 county members and actually starts to develop solutions. The local travel network, to me, is an innovative way to start to reduce traffic congestion and to reduce pollution. Even most trips are pretty close. You don't need a full large vehicle to go from your home to the grocery store.
I love our little turtle, and our city now is engaging with Jackie and the committee on this to try to get this in Gardena. I'm really excited about our environmental impact. I was really proud that the city of Gardena was able to host the South Bay Climate and Energy Award luncheon, of which we were one of the gold recipients. And we're going to work on platinum this year.
We are doing so much at the COG level.
To some degree, it's a best kept secret, and it should not be a secret. It should be something that is celebrated and shouted and let people know that South Bay COG is here in the South Bay area.
Happy birthday, South Bay Cities COG.
Happy 30th birthday, South Bay City COG.
I'm proud of this organization. I'm proud to be the chair, and I just look forward to our future.